What's up, guys? So I'm putting the door back to test it. Last time there's a gap up around there, up here, down here. So I push this one back over here. So I'm putting back. I just push a little bit. So door back, and then check if it is correct. Otherwise, I'm going to hammer it again. So it'll be harder to put it on. So I need my jack to do that, to hold it. Okay guys, so I got some glue. There it is. This one is one. Yes, and then this one, after you put the glue, you spray and then it will stick soon. Try to do that. Without any tools it would be harder, so I put foam inside it. So tomorrow I'm going to paint down around here and then put this one, this one is not damaged, so it's easy to put it on. So this one I did record a little bit, but so I'm just grinding it down here. I was welding down here, weld over here. Perfect, but it's not perfect. This one's damaged, the inside it was damaged too, so we'll see tomorrow. The last piece that tomorrow I'm going to put, and then I'm adjusting down here too. This one, the fender holder, this one was damaged. I just bring it out. I need to a little bit bring it out too. And this one, push it back. This one's kind of perfect, not yet. So here it is. You just put body fill all the way here. It's not damaged all the way here. It's damaged down here and here. But I did body fill this one. On the bumper too, I did that. I was welding that one. This one. So I did cover it up a little bit. You find it on Amazon, but they're almost out of stock. So here it is. I'll put the link down below. Primer down here, over here I'm going to put, and then after I put that one, the OEM, the last cover, I'll put some body filler down here. I was welding it in here, so hopefully tomorrow I'm going to finish it. What's up guys? So today I'm going to cut this one. So I put measurement, I did over here, down here, and over there, over here, this one. So I'm using laser beam to cut it. And then I put a mark down here. I measured this to here from the car. And then I did cut it from here, so it's already measured. And then I measured from here to here. So, and here too, from here to here. And then from here to here I measure it. So now I'm going to cut it. So first I'm going to trace this line. This is the correct way I believe it will be do it. So I'll put a little bit going up to make sure I'm correct. So let us measure, let us mark it, and then I'm going to cut it, and then almost there to finish it. So I pinned that one on the car, so I'm ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, I changed my grinder disc. I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna start from here.